Thank you. Thank you, New York. For a New Yorker for once on the ticket, Donald Trump. It's time to make America one again. One America. What happened? What happened to? What happened to? There's no black America. There's no white America. There is just America. What happened to it? This is a man with a big heart who loves people, all people, from the top to the bottom, from the middle to the side. I am telling you this because I am sick and tired of the defamation of Donald Trump by the media and by the Clinton campaign. I am sick and tired of it. This is a good